an example of the hook, line and sinker. This is the final video skill bite in the presentation skill piece. I will discuss the presentation and then we will break it up into the 3 sections. So, have you felt personal loss and failure, or have you connected with people, or are you dealing with people who are going through such situations? How do you reach out and how do you manage? I'm going to share with you 3 steps on how you can do this. First being, it's very important to truly reach out and ask people how they are dealing with the crisis. Many a times people avoid bringing this up. They don't want to face the elephant in the room. So people have different ways of dealing with loss and pain. Some people just close in, they don't like to talk about it, whereas others like to discuss and share. Now, second point, for the people who like to, just stay by themselves or need some space, it's very important to give that space and understand. And for the people who'd like to talk, it's very important to play the role of a listener, listening from the Sakshi place, the reflective mirror, and being totally present. You could play the role of a healer. And the final point being, continuously keep checking in with people, asking them how they are doing, because it builds a sense of reassurance and that you truly care. It brings out the point that you really care. Just to bring this to a close, when people go through the most difficult times in their life, the lowest moments in their life, they always remember the people who actually stood by them. I think there are a lot of people going through a lot of difficulties right now with the pandemic. It really depends what role we would like to play. So in this presentation, if I break it up, I started with a question. Have you dealt with personal loss, or are you dealing with people who are facing personal loss? This is a question. It's an interactive hook. So now you can get the audience to interact. The benefit of this is people get a space to speak, they get clued in, they start sharing, and it's easy to move into your presentation where it becomes a two-way communication. Second is the line, where you share the 3 main points. That is how to deal with it. Like I said, the first point being ask people, listen, keep checking in. And finally is the sinker or the power close, where I said people always remember when they go through loss, the people who have stood by them. And today you have an opportunity to be that person. That is the sinker or the power close. Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed the hook, line and sinker. Our next skill bite is going to be in the leadership space. Please write in to us on any topic you would like us to share. Stay tuned, stay connected.